Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you have a lot of jewelry that you need to clean, we know sometimes it's a headache and a pain to clean it. This is solved by Kunphy here. This is a ultrasonic cleaner for your jewelry. This is going to be low noise, which is really nice. It's a simple application with a simple on-off button right over here. It's going to run for 5 minutes. I'm going to include these tongs so you can pull out your jewelry and a little like wipe cleaning cloth to clean it once it's done. We'll go ahead and drop it in. Now, this one does come with a bottle of solution. This is going to be the ultrasonic cleaning solution. So this one is for all jewelry, the solution here. So, and this is a 35-to-1 ratio. So there's a max line in there and you fill it up with water. We're just going to kind of eye this. You don't need much of this. That's probably good, right? You have a lid too as well. And we can throw in our jewelry. All right, let's drop in our ring. These are sterling silver rings. I'm going to drop those in. We're going to hit our power button. You can hear it there. That'll run for 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and check it out. All right, that just finished up. 5 minutes went by. And I also want to share that this here, just not for jewelry. You can use it for your eyeglasses, any of your grooming products like razor blades, things like that. You can throw into here scissors, knives, anything that you use. You can use baby pacifiers. Now, if you're going to use anything that you would want to eat out of, or even your dentures, you'd want to get a different solution. You need to get one that is specific to your dentures or anything that would be like a baby pacifier. You wouldn't want to use the jewelry cleaning solution. This is only going to be for like your scissors and combs, things like that, plus jewelry, eyeglasses. And then you could get a different solution for the other stuff. So super easy, right? You take the lid off, you can pull out your stuff, right? Do like this. Give it a good dry. Right, here we go. Like this cleaned. I don't know about you, but that is looking really nice and clean. So did a great job there cleaning the rings, and you pull the other one out. And it just makes it so much easier. And if you want to spruce up your jewelry, it's small and compact, which is really nice. You can even travel with this if you wanted to. It's low noise. And again, this is a 350 millimeter tank capacity, and it's a 465 kilohertz high frequency. So that's what's cleaning it. That's what makes it kind of like vibrate till you'll see a jewelry in there. And I don't know if you can see in there, but there's like bits and bobs. So it's, it worked because there's debris in the water, which is a good sign because it did its job to get all that stuff off the ring. And here's what the ring looks like. And it just looks great. I mean, this, I couldn't do, like if you had to polish this or use a toothbrush, it'd take a lot of work. But using this, just throw it in for 5 minutes, pull it out, wipe it off, and you got some nice, stunning looking polished jewelry. So highly recommend this. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.